Okay, so you're looking into this interior right now from this GMC Denali, and it looks impeccable. It looks awesome. But if you are having to deal with some next level odors that you're trying to get rid of, that the cleaning did not get rid of, then we're gonna step it up a little bit by utilizing BioBombs. We're gonna dive into the Vehicle Deodorization Kit, the minis, and the Bio Bars. Let's get right to it. First up, BioBomb minis. Use this to supercharge your steamer, basically by putting it in the water reservoir. You can use this to supercharge your extractor as well by putting it in the water reservoir. And of course, right here, you can supercharge your APC. In this case, our APC is gonna be an interior cleaner. By the way, this interior cleaner is amazing. We're gonna take the head out. We're gonna open up BioBomb minis. Now this come in a 10-pack. By the way, you can find them at tocsupplies.ca. I'm gonna grab one tablet right here. It's gonna look like that, and we're simply going to open it up. There we go. Right over here, we have the tablet opened up. As you can see, it comes with one. We're simply going to put that in here to supercharge our interior cleaner. Now the interior cleaner is gonna do all the heavy lifting, removing all the traffic film, all the grime. And with this tablet from the BioBomb minis, it's simply going to penetrate into the surface here, allowing to pull all the nasty odors that were stuck onto the actual material, whether it's leather, plastics, and other materials that you may have in your interior. We're gonna let that sit for a minute or two, just to let it dissolve. As you can see, it is slightly turning yellow. Earlier, we had a clear solution. Now it's yellow. All right, so there we have it. We've been waiting for a minute or two. It's fully dissolved in with the interior cleaner. We're gonna simply spray it on this door panel here, because although it may look clean, and we did clean it, if you're dealing with heavy odors, you can certainly spray it on and wipe it off, or you can spray it on as you're cleaning the interior from the initial start of your detailing job. So we're gonna simply spray that like that into the lower panels. 1, 2, and I'm just simply going to wipe it on like this. The cleaner is doing all the grabbing, all the cleaning, and BioBomb minis is simply going to extract and pull all those odors that are embedded into the actual material, and you have a supercharged solution for your interior cleaning methods. Just make sure we wipe everything off, and we are all set. You can use this in conjunction with a brush again, as I mentioned in the initial detailing process for your interior. Spray it on, brush it, and wipe on. You can also use, again, just to recap, you can also use the BioBomb minis into the actual water reservoir of the steamer or an extractor, or in an interior cleaner like this. On to the next. Vehicle Deodorization Kit, right over here, and the Oxygenator that basically, again, supercharges the effects of the chlorine gases from the Vehicle Deodorization Kit. What is a chlorine dioxide gas? Well, this is basically the science behind BioBombs that's gonna eliminate odor. Your odor molecules are gonna be floating around here, they're gonna be just enjoying their time, but you wanna get rid of them. So what chlorine dioxide gas is gonna do, it's gonna come right up to them, bond with them, and encapsulate them in this atom-like substance, and it's simply going to poof, neutralize it from there, eliminating the odor. That's the simplest way that I can definitely put it for you guys, because we don't want to overcomplicate it. The ease of use is very easy as well. So in this kit, it comes with one tablet and a few instruction manuals for you as well. Now, the application process. We're just gonna grab a microfiber towel, lay it down to where the cup holder is, because I'm simply gonna use this as my base. I do not want any spilling onto the actual surface. It could cause some possible staining. Now, BioBombs Vehicle Deodorization Kit is safe, even though I mentioned chlorine dioxide gas, just as long as you're not using it in direct sunlight or the interior is really, really hot. Make sure it's in a controlled environment. Let's just make sure that this fits right in there. Good, there you go. Now we're gonna move in with the oxygenator right here. It's gonna come with a tube and a thread clip. That way this tube does not come out of the actual container. It also comes with a few batteries, which we've already installed in right there. Seal that up, tuck it in right here on the next side of the cup holder, and we're simply going to put the line in. This clip is going to have some sort of teeth over here, and it's simply going to click onto the threading on the bottle. So there's your oxygenator right there. Up next, the actual deodorizing tablet. This is what's going to create the chemical mixture of our chlorine dioxide gas. Simply tear away like so. Create an opening. If you're wearing PPE or gloves, that's fine, you can pick it up. I'd probably recommend not to, and we're just gonna dump it right in here. Now without the oxygenator, this vehicle deodorization kit with intense smell is gonna probably take 6 to 12 hours to neutralize whatever odor you may have. For light to medium odors, you're looking at an hour. This oxygenator will basically speed that up, speed the process up by having this on, and it's only gonna take you an hour. So if you're detailing on a hardcore vehicle that is a smoker's car, you can certainly use the oxygenator just to supercharge the effects of the gassing, and it's simply going to eliminate that in 1 hour. All right, let's proceed with the tablet here. And as soon as it touches the water, it's starting to yellow up. Now we're gonna wanna get out of here right away. Turn the oxygenator on. Do you hear that? You hear that bubbling? That means it's working. We're gonna shut the doors, keep all the windows up, don't run the AC, and I'll explain why later once we get out of the vehicle. Let's close the doors and get this going. All right, so there you have it. We're out of the vehicle. We're just gonna let VDK, Vehicle Deodorization Kit, work in there for about an hour. We want that to really sit in there to make sure we neutralize all the odors. After using it, once you're done within that hour, you can simply open the doors and aerate it out, let it out. Well, of course, you're gonna bring out the products that you simply used, make sure you chuck it away, and keep the oxygenator, because that is something that you can use multiple times. So you can definitely throw away the VDK kit at that point, dump it, and if you do open the doors and you have given it maybe 5 to 10 minutes just to air out, which is something that you're gonna wanna do, you might come across the slight smell of remaining chlorine dioxide gas, which is perfectly fine, it's perfectly normal, and there's a very easy way to get rid of that smell. In a 32-ounce bottle, fill it up with some distilled water, 2 spritz in the back, 2 spritz in the front, and you'll be fine. It's gonna basically pull all that chlorine dioxide gas smell out of the vehicle, and you'll have a fresh vehicle to hop in. So there you have it, the BioBombs Vehicle Deodorization Kit. Amazing, huh? Now let's take your attention right over here. Bio Bars, a very popular product in the BioBombs lineup. These are a fan favorite. Now, as you can see, we have many options from Fresh AF, Poppin' Cherry, Vitamin C, New Car Nectar, Dope Soap, Squash LLC, Lemon Lime Cola basically, Vanilla Cream, and Iced Out. Today, we're gonna be using New Car Nectar. Just get that fresh, neutral smell in there. You'll also see that we have a labeled BioBombs mesh guard here for your bars. Now with these bars, you'll get a total of 60 days of fresh scents. It's also gonna work in conjunction with everything that's going on in there. It's gonna give it that nice smell. It's gonna give it a really fresh smell actually. In this demonstration, we're just not gonna use the whole bars. We're gonna save one of them. We're gonna split it into 2, which then makes it 30 days. So 60 days for the full bar, 30 days for a half bar. So we're gonna open that right here. Got the bar right there. We're gonna open up the bag, gently pop this out. Don't worry, it's a little bit oily, but that's fine. By the way, every single BioBomb product that we've used, they do not use any fragrances to mask smell. They use science to basically eliminate odor. And so we've got a bar here ready to go. I'm gonna show you guys where to put it in the proper position that it should be in. Follow me. Now, some vehicles, depending on how the airflow is with how their AC system may work, it typically starts where the driver is from the foot, makes its way underneath the driver's side into the back, and funnels its way back into the cabin through the passenger seat. Passenger front seat. As you can see, passenger front seat is right here. We can move up to the front and insert it down from the front there, but we're actually gonna go to the back because here's where I like to really put them. I'm going to bring out my phone here just to give you guys a little bit of light. You see the rails right there? The rails just where the seat is. If there is an open space right in the bottom, I'm tucking this in under there. So let's give that a try. Just gonna, okay, I can feel the railing is right there. Tuck in the railing, and it's positioned nicely right underneath the railings. The reason why I'm doing that is because it's not gonna move when I'm driving around, and that's the last thing I want because it might slip in somewhere where I don't want it to be. So we're just gonna close the door up here, and there you have it. All right, so a quick recap. What did we use for the BioBombs interior detailing and odor neutralizing? Well, we supercharged our APC/interior cleaner with BioBomb minis, which by the way, you can use in conjunction with your steamer and your extractor. It's gonna supercharge the cleaning effects and give it that nice odor neutralization properties. Next, of course, we use the BioBombs VDK, the Vehicle Deodorization Kit, that you can simply put into the Vehicle Deodorization Kit container with water filled up to the actual fill line. That's going to neutralize all that nasty odor smell. It's simply going to bond with them, poof, allow it to disappear, and destroy it from there. That way you have a nice, fresh smelling interior. Also, we used it with the Oxygenator and /Aerator kit. That is going to supercharge it, just speed up the process a little bit so you're not having to wait for 6 to 12 hours. It'll cut that time into 1 hour. Up next, we've got the BioBars, which by the way, we used new car nectar. I split it into 2. A full bar is gonna last 60 days. Split it into 2, now I get 30 days. I tucked it into the railings right underneath the front passenger seat. And of course, as you may look down here, we have many, many scents that you can choose from. And there we have it. Quick side note, you may probably be asking, do I have to have the AC unit running when the VDK gassing is operating in there? You actually don't have to, because you don't wanna keep, first of all, you don't wanna keep the car running for too long. Just simply close the doors, close the windows up, and once you're done, after that 1 hour, open it, let it air out for 5 to 10 minutes. If you're still getting a lingering smell of the gas, then you can simply use distilled water, 2 spritz in the front, 2 spritz in the back, and it'll pull all that smell away. So there you have it. You can find these products at tocsupplies.ca. I'm Josh, and I'm signing off. You may have a tool like this, which is basically the IK Foam Pro 2. Now you may be also experiencing something like this. It's just not foaming, is it?